Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this waterproof car bench seat cover from Peture. So I do want to thank Peture for actually gifting this to me. And so with this waterproof seat cover, this is going to be ideal for pets to sit in your back seat. And what I like about it is that you have multiple ways to kind of secure this down. So this functions more of as like a hammock convertible. And what I mean by that is it's going to be more shaped like this when it's actually placed into your car. So you have the zipper component here. So this is going to rest against your wall. In addition to that, you have multiple ways to secure it down. You have the actual handle straps, which tuck into the seat itself. You also have the headrest straps, which actually go behind the seat as well. You also have these pocket components, which make it pretty versatile when it comes to putting things inside. So another head strap here as well. And then the front portion, you have another head strap, which goes in the front seat. And then you have this other head strap, which also goes into the front seat. So overall, I'd say that compared to other dog seat covers, which I've used, this one has a lot of ways to kind of anchor the seat in place so that your dog stays well protected and the car seat cover doesn't move. But overall, it's going to be waterproof. It's got storage pockets right over here. And it's also got a Velcro closure for seat buckles. It's also got a non-slip backing. So like I've said, this is going to make it so that the seat doesn't move. And yeah, well, overall, very pleased with it.